My name is Stuart Freer.
And I'm Natalie.
And our property for the renovation was a 3-bedroom split-level home in West Maple Ridge. We've lived here for about 10 years with our 3 children and 2 dogs.
We were clearly outgrowing our space. We had 5 of us living in 3 bedrooms, and we had looked at moving, but we love our house and we love our neighborhood, so we wanted to find an option where we could expand so we can stay where we are. Terra Firma went above and beyond for us just because in their daily interactions with us, we were always included in discussions that we're having and subcontractors that came in.
I think also working with the team, Ty was great in terms of the first permitting process, getting everything through this with the city and guiding us along each step. And then even to add to that, when his team was here, work site was clean after every day. They took the time to sweep up and they made it enjoyable not only for Nat and myself, but also our kids.
The fact that we were expanding our house, we were worried that we didn't want it to look like it was this weird addition that doesn't fit in, and so you couldn't even tell from the outside now that we expanded our house.
It looks like it's always been
there.
there.
It looks like it was just meant to be, and it was always there, and so that for me is huge.
It wasn't just simply the physical structure, it was the quality and how they did it that has added significantly to the value of our house. We know it.
Yeah, and it added to the quality for us. Like, we don't have to move. Like, we don't want to move.
There's no reason to move now.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the amazing things that I didn't really know about, where, if you get the right and trusted team like Terra Firma, you can be in a home you love, in an area you love, and make modifications, additions, renovations, whatever to it. It is cheaper than moving.
You put the equity back into your home.
You put equity back into your home. We received nothing but compliments, everyone, and it was oftentimes the same thing. It looks so great from the outside. It blends in so well with what you've already done. It looks like it's always been there. It's such a great addition to your home and the neighborhood.